Money flows freely into my life. Unlimited abundance is mine. I am full of money-making ideas. I have the right to be prosperous. I am a money magnet. I love abundance and attract it naturally. I am passionate about building wealth. Abundance and I are one. Wealth flows easily into my life. Prosperity and abundance surround me. I love my abundance. I attract prosperity. I am relaxing into greater abundance. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. My prosperity is unlimited. I can see abundance everywhere around me. I create prosperity in my life. I am extremely successful. I deserve the best, and it comes to me now. I know I am abundant. I am happy being rich. Great wealth is flowing to me now. I draw abundance like a magnet. My income is growing higher and higher now. If others can be wealthy, so can I. I am abundant. I place no limits on the amount of money I can make. I am always immersed in wealth. I attract money naturally. I am wealthy. Great job.